Now see at page number 123 at the standard. A shopkeeper bought two TV sets at rupees 10,000 each. He sold one at a profit 10% and the other at a loss of 10%. Find whether he made an overall profit or loss. Okay, now you can see here cost price of TV set is equal to rupees 10,000. So cost price of two TV set will be rupees 20,000. It's clear. Now in the first case given profit percentage is equal to 10%. In the second case it is given loss percentage is equal to 10%. Now what we will do in first case, profit in rupees first we will calculate. So 10% of 10,000, 10% of 10,000, that means 10,000 into 10 upon 100. So 1,000 you can see here in the second case. Then SP in the first case, the SP will be CP plus profit, so rupees 11,000. Now in case second, loss in rupees 10% of 10,000. So rupees 1,000. So SP of TV set is equal to 10,000 minus 1,000. It will be rupees 9,000. Now total CP of TV rupees 20,000 and total SP. So here you can see SP is 11,000 and here is 9,000. So 20,000. So CP is equal to SP. So neither profit nor loss. Okay. Now see. At page number 124, GST, goods and service tax based questions. The teacher showed the class a bill in which the following details are written. Sales tax means is charged by the government on the sale of an item. It is collected by the shopkeeper from the customer and given to the government. This is therefore always on the selling price of an item and is added to the value of the bill. There is another type of tax which is included in the prices known as value added tax. Okay, from July 1st 2017, Government of India introduced the GST, goods service tax, which is levied on supply of goods or services or both. So different type of tax based questions we will solve here. In the exam may be asked what is the full form of ST, write the short form of sales tax, any. So here this question, and on which date Government of India introduced GST. So solve this. Okay. Now question number first of exercise 8.2. A man got a 10% increase in his salary if his new salary is 1,54,000. High per month or year? Per month. Find his original salary. Okay, so original salary we have to calculate. You can see here, suppose a man's original salary be rupees 100. On the 10% increases he is getting. So 10% of 100, that means definitely 10 rupees. Then the person's new salary will be 110. You can see here 100 plus 10. Now if new salary is rupees 110, then original salary is equal to rupees 100. If new salary is rupees 1,54,000, then original salary will be numerator 100. You will take and in the denominator 110 and 1,54,000 you can say. If per month he is getting 1,54,000, wow. So this 0 you will cancel by this 0, divide this value, that means 15,400 you will divide by 11. So it is divisible by 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44 and 2 zeros as it is. So 100 into 1400, that means original salary अच्छी खासी मिल रही है उसको original salary भी. So 1,40,000. Okay. Now second questions. On Sunday 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? Okay, so on Sunday 845 people went and on Monday 169 people went only. So see here difference, that means decreasing. You can see here difference. Number of people went on Sunday, number of people went on Monday. 676. On 676, so on whatever number on Sunday, for calculating the percentage, decreasing percentage, what we will do? difference, whatever difference you are getting, you will divide the number of people went on Sunday. And for calculating the percentage, you will multiply by 100 and put percentage sign. So see here, divide both the numbers by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 0 as it is, 169 and 676. So 676 is divisible by 169 4 times. By 169, 676 is divisible 4 times. So 4 into 80, that means 80% people decreases on Monday. Okay. Now third question. Third question, a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sell them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. We have to calculate the selling price of one article. So you can see here, cost price of 80 articles is equal to rupees 2,400. Profit percentage is equal to 16%. So profit in rupees equal to 16% of 2,400. That means 16 upon 100 into 2,400. Cancel these 2 zeros by those 2 0 and 16 into 24, rupees 324. Now you can see here, I think you are not able to see. Wait. Okay. So SP is equal to CP plus profits. CP is 2,400 and profit 384, total 2,784. So SP of 80 articles is equal to rupees 2,784. SP of one article is equal to 2,784 divided by 80. Divide by 2. You, at the end you will get 348 upon 10. So in the denominator we see multiple of 10. So before one digit we will put 0. And this 0 for, so price of one article is 34 rupees 80 paisa. Okay. Now see fourth question. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. So for this question, what you will do? First you will write given the cost of an article is equal to rupees 15,400. Overhead charges is equal to rupees 450 rupees. Then new CP or total CP you can write. So total CP, whatever you are getting, you will add this two number and write total CP. Now profit in rupees is equal to 15% of whatever you are getting the new CP. You will calculate. So you will get profit in rupees, and that profit in rupees you will add in your new CP. You will get the selling price of the article. So this question you will solve yourselves. Now a VCR and a TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. Already we have done this question in the try this, the cost of 2 TV set in that. So I explaining this question. What you will do, first you will write suppose the cost of the cost of VCR is be rupees 100, then loss is equal to rupees 4, because whatever percentage word we are using only on 100. So loss is equal to 4 rupees. Then selling price of VCR is equal to 100 minus 4 is equal to 96 rupees. Then you will write if cost price of VCR is equal to 100, then selling price 96. If cost price of VCR 8,000, then selling price you will calculate. Okay. Same way, what you will do? First you will write, suppose the cost price of TV is be rupees 100, then profit in rupees is equal to 8, because we are assuming 100. So percentage we are talking about 100, so you will remove the percentage sign and rupees 8. Then SP of TV will be 100 plus 8, 108. 8. Then you will write, if the cost price of TV is rupees 100, then selling price 108. So cost price is 8,000, then selling price will be, you will calculate. After that, what you will do, you will write here cost price of both the article thing, whatever you want to write, is equal to 8,000 into 2, 16,000, and selling price of both the articles is equal, whatever you are getting, selling price of VCR plus selling price of TV, you will add and compare. If CP is greater than SP, then loss. SP is greater than CP, profit. And according to that, you can calculate the profit or loss. Now see here, during a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked price of all the items. So what would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1,450 and 2 shirts marked at rupees 850 each. So total item purchased 2 shirts and 1 jeans. So first you will add CP of 3 items. So 850 into 2 plus 1,450, and 10% you will calculate of it, and that whatever value you are getting, you will subtract, so you will get the answer. But I have solved in different way. So see, I am solving here. Let us start. Now see here, first you will write mark price of jeans is equal to rupees 1450. Now 10% of 1450 is equal to 1450 into 10 upon 100. You can see here 1 0 cancelled by that 1 0, and this 0 is cancelled by this 0. So rupees 145 discount is there. So discount we always subtract from the mark price. So the real price, that means SP of jeans, is equal to 1450 minus 145, so 1305 you will get. Now mark price of shirt, you will write full form, please children. So mark price of shirt is equal to rupees 850. Now 10% of 850 is equal to 850 into 10 upon 100. Those 2 0 cancel by these 2 0. So 85. Now mark price of 2 shirts is equal to 1700. Discount on 2 shirts is equal to 85 into 2, 170. So SP of 2 shirts 1700 minus 170, that means rupees 1530. So total SP is equal 1305 plus 1530, that means rupees 2835. Okay.